What's up, everybody? This is Missy with Lansing Hoops, and welcome to the last week of our Core Series Challenge. In this week's video, we're going to cover how to ankle hoop, and it looks just like this. If you haven't signed up for our Core Series Challenge yet, you can still do that at lansingHoops.com/core challenge, and we'll send you a weekly video of all of the different on-body core techniques. Today, we're going to continue with ankle hooping. When you're practicing ankle hooping, you'll want to trade in your big, heavy hoop for something a little bit more lightweight. I have a skinny, this is about 5/8, I think, 33 hoop. And then these two hoops are 36 inches. They're both lightweight HDPE hoops. This one has a little bit of grip tape on the inside, but none of them are very heavy. And this will help protect my ankles as we go through ankle hooping. So last week we started the beginning of the lower half of our on-body core training with knee hooping. We talked about how one leg is a stabilizer and one leg is a pusher. And as we move into ankle hooping, we will still see some of that, but your legs or your feet will move a little bit more back and forth to keep the momentum of like this. While both feet are moving, my right leg is moving just a little bit more to keep the momentum of going, while my left leg moves just enough to stabilize the hoop. This is similar to last week when we talked about how one leg stabilizes and one leg pushes when we knee hoop. There's two different starts that you can use that make it a little bit easier. The first is to start from knee hooping and let gravity take the hoop down to your ankles like this. And it falls, and now I'm into ankles. My right leg does more of the work, while my left leg just helps keep the momentum going. The other start that I like to use is to keep one foot on the outside and one foot on the inside while we swing start the hoop around our ankles, like this. The hoop is on my left foot, right foot inside. I swing to the right, I swing to the left, and this time as I swing back, I will go all the way around. One more time. Now, more than ever, you need to make sure you're following the 3 rules of hoop piece. P is pulse. The second rule of hoop piece, the E, is to take it easy. Remember, the hoop is like an extension of your body. So whatever you're doing with your body, the hoop will be doing that too. If you're kicking really hard trying to make the hoop go round, then the hoop will be moving really hard and banging up your ankles. So take it easy. And the ACE of hoop piece, or the third rule of hoop piece, is to keep your abs and your core engaged. So stand up straight, suck in your tummies, suck in your bottoms, and push that hoop around your ankles, like this. Feel into it. Resist the urge to look and see if it's working. Remember, you need to stand up straight. Remember, ankle hooping follows the same rule we've covered every single week of this Core Series Challenge. If you missed our other skills like waist hooping, chest hooping, shoulder hooping, spiraling the hoop up and down, or pulling your arms in and out of the hoop, we'd love for you to join us. You can do so today at lansingHoops.com/core challenge, and I'll send you one video a week covering all of those different techniques. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to Lansing Hoops today. See you next time.